A grand and happy morning to all the viewers. Dhanbad Public School, in alignment with National Education Policy 2020 and National Curriculum Framework, strongly emphasizes the importance of storytelling as a good medium for learning life skills, social relationships, ethical choices, understanding and experiencing emotions. Hence, I, Sarthak Singh, a student of class 5H, is here with an exclusive and interesting story. Today, that is 15th October, is the special day as it is the birthday of our former president and beloved scientist Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So, let's listen to his story. The School Topper by APJ Abdul Kalam. 1945. The Second World War was just over and India awaited her freedom eagerly. It was the time when Gandhiji declared, Indians will build their own India. In the city of Rameswaram, an 8-year-old Abdul Kalam wanted to do something for his country. For this, he needed to study in a very good school. But he belongs from a poor family who couldn't afford his education in good school. Abdul's parents knew that he is a very bright student, so his father somehow managed to arrange the money for fulfilling his dream to study in a very good school. He was admitted in short school in Ramanathapuram, a town that lay across the sea from Rameswaram. It was a very good school. When it was hot and humid, the students were made to sit under the trees and then study. One day, as he was in a hurry, he stepped into the wrong classroom, where maths teacher was taking a class. He scolded him very badly and said, "What are you doing in this school if you can't even find your way to the right class? You should just go back to the village where you came from." He was brutally humiliated in front of the entire class. Abdul felt crushed and homesick. But he determined to make his family proud as they have made great sacrifices to send him to this school. By his hard work and determination, he scored full marks in mathematics examination. After a few days, in morning assembly, the same teacher who had scolded him stood up, smiled and said, "Whoever I punish becomes a great man." Everyone in the assembly started laughing. He then recounted what had happened. He added, "Mark my words, this boy is going to bring glory to his school and teachers." His praise call made up for the earlier humiliation. Finally, he felt that he had done something worthy. But there is still a lot to be achieved. Moral of the story is, we should not lose our focus due to criticism. Instead, work harder and harder to achieve our goal. I hope you found this story interesting. We will be back again the next Sunday with another exciting story. Till then, read at home, grow at home. Thank you. Dhanbad Public School, a happy school.